కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయొద్దు వాళ్ళని, ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పు. పట్టుకో ఇది. Good morning, Edit. So this is day 2 in Arku. Yesterday we have really good sleep. After campfire we slept somewhere around 1 or 2 o'clock at the night, and we have a really good sleep. So right now time is 9 o'clock. Today plans are quite simple, guys. First of all, we'll go to waterfalls. We are actually planning to go to 2 waterfalls. First waterfalls will be Chaparai waterfalls. You have seen that in my last vlog. So from here, from my location, it will be somewhere around for 42 kilometers, I guess. So after that we are planning to go to another waterfalls also. After that we'll come back to our guest house. We're gonna fresh up. Then we are planning, actually yesterday night what happened is, while coming from Vizag to Arku, it was really dark, so we didn't see that Anantagiri coffee plantation. So today we are planning to go there, and after that we'll come back and we'll go to coffee museum and tribal museum, guys. So today plans are really sorted. After that, tomorrow morning we are leaving to our next location. So I'm really excited. That's it, guys. So we are all ready and we are leaving in 10 minutes. So I will directly meet you at Chaparai waterfalls. अरे से देख के थोड़ा पहुंच जाएगा इधर से डायरेक्ट वाइजाग. थैंक यू. So right now we are at Chaparai waterfall, guys. If you remember, I came here last December, I guess. That time waterfall itna nahi tha, but this time it's really good, guys. If you are coming in rainy season, definitely visit Chaparai waterfalls. देखा कैसे लग रहा बता ना ना. Guys, right now we are at our second waterfalls. Right now time is around 12:30. We had our lunch. While coming from Chaparai waterfalls, we finished our lunch. Now we are going to Rana Jilledi waterfalls, I guess. बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेकिंग है. Guys, to reach this point you have to do some adventure. Other than that, it's really worth it, guys. Definitely try coming to this place. now we are going back to our guest house, so I will directly meet her in my guest house. Guys, from Waterfalls we are back to our guest house and we are freshened up and we are ready to go to next location which is Anantagiri coffee plantations. So सुबह से मेरे को ये लग रहा है कि मैंने vlog में intro नहीं दिया. So hello guys, how's it going? I hope you guys having a great time and welcome back to another vlog, guys. So today date is 19 September and right now I'm in Arku. So as I told you, our next destination will be Anantagiri coffee plantations. So right now time is around 3 o'clock, but guys, just see the climate, so good. It's so clear and so we are leaving in 5 minutes, guys. So I will directly meet you at coffee plantation. Guys, we finally reached our third destination, which is coffee plantation, guys. Just look at it, it looks really good. So guys, if you ask me, if you remember, I came here in last December, but if you get a chance to come here, come in rainy season, guys, it looks really good. So guys, if you remember last time when I came here, I didn't find so many coffee berries, but this time there are so many coffee berries, guys. So that's it for coffee plantation, guys. Now we are going to a next location, which is a church which is really famous in Arku. It will take just 5 to 10 minutes, guys. So I will meet you there. వచ్చేసాం బ్రో సెకండ్ లొకేషన్ ఇవాళకి ఫోర్త్ లొకేషన్ ఇది అంతేగా లొకేషన్ గురించి కొంచెం చెప్పు
దీన్ని చర్చ్ అంటారు
అబ్బా
మేము రాము వచ్చేవాళ్ళు వస్తారు
ఓకే అసలు దీని స్పెషాలిటీ ఏంది మనీష్ చెప్పు మనీష్ ఎన్ని సినిమాల్లో చూపించారు పోనీ అది చెప్పు
కృష్ణగారి వీర ప్రమాదాలు చూసాను
అంతే ఇంకా
1-2 మూవీస్ చూసా
ఏ మూవీస్ తెలుగు మూవీస్ है ना मैक्स తెలుగు మూవీస్ सो दैट्स इट गाइस दिस इज द चर्च सेफ बताओ लोकेशन के बारे में कुछ बताओ
लोकेशन के बारे में जबरदस्त लोकेशन है किराक पीछे देखो तो पहाड़ है सामने देखो तो ये फिर पहाड़ है
बीच में चर्च है भाई
बीच में चर्च है एंड जबरदस्त व्यू है 1 in a million
अच्छा
प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब
वाह से वाह నిశాంత్ లొకేషన్ కోసం ఫీడ్‌బ్యాక్
బాగుంది లొకేషన్
అంతేనా ఇంకేం లేదు
లైక్ దిట్
हम तू भी बता
बट द रेन इज
अरे बूम बम मजा आ गया
मनीष नो वेस्ट असल क्या तू बता भाई लोकेशन के बारे में
सो बाय द वे जीसस वाज बोर्न हियर
अच्छा
एंड वो दिख रहा
हां वो दिख रहा
कौन बोला
वहां से गॉड
जीसस बॉर्न हियर कौन बोला
अरे जरा
हुसैन तू बता
क्या बताऊं
लोकेशन के बारे में कुछ
लोकेशन बहुत अच्छा है मामा
सही में
सच में बहुत अच्छा है और शहजाद
लोकेशन से ज्यादा दोस्ती इम्पोर्टेंट है
Yes.
और दोस्तों के साथ आए वो ज्यादा
एंड वाइब इंपॉर्टेंट है
वाइब इम्पोर्टेंट है
So guys, that's it for the church. Now we are going to coffee museum. और कुछ बोलना है सिर्फ आपको?
नथिंग एल्स कॉफी म्यूजियम में जाके वहाँ भी बकचोदी करेंगे
మనీష్ నువ్వేంది నవ్వుతుంది ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నావు నెక్స్ట్ అది చెప్పు
ట్రైబల్ మ్యూజియం
ట్రైబల్ మ్యూజియం కాఫీ మ్యూజియం
కాఫీ మ్యూజియం.
కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయొద్దు వాళ్ళని, ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పు.
పట్టుకో,
ఇది
ట్రైబల్ మ్యూజియం.
చలో గైస్, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ట్రైబల్ మ్యూజియం దెన్. మీట్ యూ దేర్. గైస్ అగైన్ ప్లాన్ చేంజ్. ఈ మనిషికి అసలు ప్లాన్ చేయడం రాదు. ట్రైబల్ మ్యూజియం అన్నాడు, వీఆర్ అట్ కాఫీ మ్యూజియం. గైస్ ఎందుకు ప్లాన్ చేంజ్ మనిషి?
నువ్వే చెప్పావు కదా,
ఇదిగో నా మీద తోచేస్తాడు ఏమైనా అంటే.
టైమింగ్స్ ప్రాబ్లం అయింది,
దానివల్ల కాఫీ మ్యూజియం కూర్చోం. गाइस एंट्रेंस फीस 20 रुपीज़ पर अडल्ट. लास्ट टाइम इतना व्लॉग नहीं बनाया था मैंने. So guys, we are finally back to room. Actually tribal museum plan cancel అయిపోయింది. మనీష్ గురించి తెలిసిందే కదా, అన్ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాడు. So I got few things from coffee museum guys. Let me show you. These are dark chocolates, coffee seeds, coffee chocolate. Guys, one thing, if you are coming to Araku, definitely try these chocolates guys. These chocolate have coffee seeds in it, so definitely try them, and some spices. So that's it guys, and so that's it. And also we got some dinner for us. So right now time is around 7:45 and we will have to sleep by 9 o'clock guys, because tomorrow morning we are leaving to our third destination. So tomorrow morning around 4 o'clock we have to start guys, so that's why we have to sleep early. So anyways, that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel. So meet you tomorrow.